Hello guys, my name is Pravyadana. Welcome to our channel. So in this video, I can show you one website where you guys can publish a free guest posting. So you guys can see the website name is the omnibuzz.com, and I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. And also you guys can once you guys can publish your guest post, your guest post backlink, it should be a do follow backlink. Okay, so this is a dashboard, and now we can I can show you this website authority. According to Acharyafit, domain rating is 62, and according to SimilarWeb, this website having 61.4k total visitors, and the traffic from mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, UK, Philippines, and Australia. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you guys can want to crawlability and the audience from that kind of country, so you guys have to publish your article on that website. So you guys can see this is a website dashboard, and now firstly you guys have to create your profile on that website. So there is a register button, you guys have to click over there, and after that you guys have to add your username and your full name, and you guys have to choose your email ID. Then you guys can choose your passwords, and after that you guys have to click for the register button. And once you guys can complete your profile detail profile creation, this, and then after that this website can send you a verification email, so you guys have to verify your profile. So we received. Now we can verify your profile. So there is a activation link button, you guys have to click over there. So our profile has been created, and now we can check if anything are things, so we can optimize our profile. So we can firstly we can optimize, then after that first name, last name, okay. And if you guys want to update avatar, so you guys have to update your business logo, and you guys have to choose your country. Then after that you can choose your about section. Then after that you guys have to click for the update profile button. So your profile has been updated, so you guys can see there is a submit guest post button, you guys have to click over there, and simply you guys have to generate your article. So there you guys have to add your post article title. So I can go to right now I don't have a fresh article, so I can go to use my previous published article throughout my website. So I can just going to use, and in the post title section you guys can add your article title. In the category section you guys have to choose your category, so business, economics, career, okay. And after that in the content section, there you guys can add your content. So I'm simply just copy the content, and there you guys have to paste it. Then after that you guys have to optimize your benefits job, okay. So we have optimized our design, and after that we can going to insert our website a backlink website URL for the any specific target keyword. So this is my target keyword, permanent hiring. So where I can go to insert my website service piece link, and you guys have to see there is a link insert button, you guys have to click, and you guys have to add your links. So our link is inserted, you guys have to add multiples links, so you guys have to avoid over using. And after that you guys have to update your feature image. Okay, let me download. Okay, so our feature image has been inserted. In the export section, you guys have to add your expertise. If you want to add your expertise, then you guys can do from there now. So I can add this content, and after that you guys will see there is a submit post button. You guys have to click over there. So you guys can see this is your landing page URL. So your guest post is approved now on that website, and you guys can see this is your article, our post, and now we can inspect and check. This is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see this is our website URL, and there is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So real is no follow external. So you guys have to see this is kind things. Okay. So main thing, we have published our article and the guest post on that website. So this is a main thing. So okay, yeah. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request. You guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can understand and you guys can do something from your side. Okay, yaar. So bye bye and take care.